Now if you're wondering why I'm sitting in the car in the dark, can we turn that off please? Thank you. Sitting in the car in the dark at 6 o'clock on a Saturday night, it can only mean one thing. I'm moving off the drive so we can have some fireworks. The question is, where do I park? Now if you're worried about Izzy and fireworks, and to be honest she doesn't bother that much about them, but yeah, she's having a rave in the kitchen. Having a rave? Yeah. No, stay in here. Stay there raving. Now it's not really going to be a long video, I just want to fly the drone and get some fireworks drone shottage, hopefully. If it doesn't, well, I'm hoping I don't crash it into a firework and all goes wrong. But and if you're wondering about social distancing and breaking the rules, we're all on our own shared drive, so I'm not breaking any rules. Let me get the fireworks. It's too cold. I'm changing my coat. Cold's got nothing on me. Alright. Now we'll get the fireworks. Who did them? Joe Biden.
Really watched any of it before?
No.
I've got nice neighbours. They make cakes. Oh, nice. Oh, nearly.
If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just
Marta is a bully. Here's his lucky box. Whoa. Okay. So I'm going to end it there, I think. So I don't know what we caught on the drone. I'm hoping we got some good footage, but I can't see until we check it out. But thanks for watching. It wasn't much of a video, a few fireworks, but if you liked what you watched, please do subscribe. I'm on the wrong lens, so I don't even know if you can... Oh yeah, you can see me. Anyway, yeah, if you liked what you watched or what you saw with the fireworks, please do subscribe. It really does help me out, and it does allow me to go places that I perhaps couldn't if I had a smaller following. So I appreciate you, do appreciate it. And but yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you have, and I'll see you next time with perhaps a bit more of an exciting video, hopefully, if this lockdown ever goes away. But yeah, see you next time.
Life like you should. Just say you never had a